Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the next topic of this unit is called as the what? Introductions of polymers here. We discuss the question, write down the uses of nano-66. First of all, nano-66 is the polymers of what? Condensation polymer. It's an example. And we prepared how to prepare the nano-66 in yesterday lectures. Today we discuss the uses of these polymer called as the what? Nano-66. So what is the application of these nano-66 polymer? So these nano-66 polymer first of all are used in the preparation of or making of sheets, then brush, then textile fabric and different types of what? Nylon ropes. Clear? It is the uses of nano-66. Now question, how to prepare a nylon 6 polymer? क्वेश्चन ऐसे रहेगा बेटा आपको कि राइट डाउन द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ पॉलीअमाइड पॉलीमर्स. इट हैव टू टाइप्स, nylon 66 and nylon 6. But yesterday we finished the nylon 66 preparation. Today we discuss we prepared here nylon 6 polymer. This 6 indicate the number of carbon in a given monomer. Clear? So how to prepare a nylon 6 polymer we discuss here. So first of all, the monomer epsilon, this indicate a epsilon, this symbol indicate E stand for their epsilon caprolactam. Epsilon caprolactam is a monomer which are used in the preparation of nylon 6 polymer. What is caprolactam? It is a combination of ethylene group and what group? Amide group called as the caprolactam. It's a combination of ethylene group and amide group, so it is called as what? The epsilon caprolactam is a monomer. So these epsilon caprolactam rearrange. It is called as the example of which polymers? Ring opening polymers. Clear? So these ring will be open. It's a closed ring. We will get what here? Same compound of a same atom. How many CH2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get CH2 by 5. NH as it is and CO group also as it is. So with the help of P caprolactam, it means it contains a ethylene group and amide group. We rearrange two opening polymers to form the nylon 6. This 6 indicate what here? This word 6 indicate the number of carbon. This 5 plus 1, 6. This reaction takes place in presence of 533 Kelvin to 543 Kelvin temperature. Clear? Okay, सिंपल रिएक्शन है. सिर्फ हमने क्या किया? कैप्रोलैक्टम लिया, उसको रीअरेंज किया और उसको रिंग क्लोज थी, उसको ओपन कर दिया. All the atom are same. Clear? Now question, uses of nylon 6 polymer. Uses of nylon 6 polymer. These polymer are used in the preparation of tires, sports, fabric and textile and ropes and different types of industrial purposes also. Clear? It's the uses and application of nylon 6. Now question next. Define the lactam or lacton. One last question आ सकता है आपको. Define the, it may be caprolactam or lactam or lacton. So what is the definition of lactam? Lactam and lacton. One last question आएगा आपको. Define the lactam or lacton. ठीक है? So lactam is a cyclic compound which contain a two functional group. One is called as amine and second is called as carboxylic acid. So any cyclic compound which contain a amine group as well as which group? Carboxylic group. So it is called as the lactam. Clear? It means here the amine nylon 6 and the nylon 6 is, it is an example of a lactam. It contains amine group or amide group as well as carboxylic group. Second, lacton. Lacton is called as what? So it is defined as a cyclic ester. Lacton is defined as cyclic ester compound of hydroxyl group and carboxylic group. It means a cyclic ester or compound which contain a which group OH. OH called the hydroxyl group, and the COH called as the which group carboxylic group. दोनों में कॉमन क्या है बेटा? लैक्टोन और लैक्टोन में कॉमन क्या है? कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप. If a compound is contain a carboxylic group as well as amine group, so it is called as lactam, and the compound which contain a second ester of a carboxylic group as well as which group? Ester group, or you can say which group here? Hydroxyl group called as the lactone. Clear? Okay. Now question also say that what question also asked in examination, write down the preparations of polyester polymer, or how to prepare Dacron or terylene polymer, or write a short notes on the preparation of Dacron polymer, terylene polymer or polyester polymer. Okay, both three questions are same, or answer also the one same. Clear? So how to prepare? So if you prepare any polymer, you take different types of monomer depend upon the polymer type. If the one monomer are rearranged to form the polymer, it is called addition polymer. If for two monomer are get together and lost a small molecule like water molecule and alcohol, so it is example of condensation polymer. So same here, the polyester or polymer or Dacron polymer or terylene polymer, it is an example of which polymer? Condensation polymer. Why? Because if you prepare different types of polymer, two different monomer are used and loss of a small molecule like water molecule. Clear? So now how to prepare this polyester polymer? So when ethylene glycose formula OH CH2CH2OH, it is a formula of what? Ethylene glycol is a one monomer. When ethylene glycol formula OH CH2CH2OH is a react with one type of a second monomer called as the terephthalic acid. Formula COOH attached to benzene, same group COOH attached to benzene. It means two acid group attached to benzene is called as the terephthalic acid. Two carboxylic group means COH group attached to the benzene at terminate position, last position, so it is called as what? Terephthalic acid. So when ethylene glycol is react with the terephthalic acid in presence of one type of special catalyst called as the zinc. Zn indicates zinc acetate antimony trioxide catalyst. Special catalyst, in presence of this catalyst, the which form? Polyester polymer is formed. Clear? And this reaction heated at 420 to 460 Kelvin temperature, higher temperature, to form the what? Polyester, Dacron or terylene. So now how the reaction happen? So here the ethylene glycol OH CH2CH2OH is react with the terephthalic acid. How this reaction happen? Which atom is break down, which atom is lost, or which atom is new form. So now we rearrange these two monomer. So when this ethylene glycol is react with terephthalic acid, how this reaction is happen? So this OH group, now we take there this H group and this OH group, this H group and this OH group are lost. So what we get here? This H, this O. How many water molecule? One molecule of H2. Remaining what here? Remaining this OH. Clear? And this one H will be goes out. So this H, how many H? 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 and 1, 4. And how many oxygen? This one, this one. It means how many water molecule lost? When this ethylene glycol is react with the terephthalic acid, the loss of 2 water molecule. Clear? So how this reaction is for remaining part? The remaining part will arrange each other. So we get remaining oxygen O, then CH2 as it is, then CH2 as it is. Clear? Then these O attached to this CH2. So this CH2 attached to this O. This O attached to this CH2. Remaining CO group as it is, ring also as it is, this OH are lost, then attached This N indicate the polymer and the before the monomer N indicate the monomers. Clear? And losses of how many water molecules? 2 water molecules are losses. Clear? Okay, simple reaction है. When a zinc glycol is react with the ethylene acid in presence of zinc acetate antimony trioxide catalyst and heated up 420 to 460 Kelvin temperature, and the reaction increase the loss of water molecule rearranged together to form the what? Dacron or terylene or polyester polymers. Why is called polyester? Because this compound contains ster. Why is called as polyamide nylon 6 and nylon 6 is because it contains a amide group. It means lactam, it is the example of polyamide, and lactone, it is the example of polyester. Clear? Okay. Now question also asked in examination. Write down the uses of what polyester polymer, dacron or terylene. Clear? Simple application पूछेगा या क्वेश्चन पूछेगा. एडवांटेज, एप्लीकेशन, यूजेस बोथ थ्री आर सेम. Clear? Now these polyester polymers, are terylene or dacron, are used in the preparation of bottles, jams, and different types of containers. Clear? Fabrics, also jams and the container. Clear? These polymers are also called as the what? Thermosetting polymer, because these polymers are easily soft when we heat it and easily cool when we easily hard when we cool. Clear? So it's all about the what? Preparation of what? Polyamide polymer. It contains two types, nylon 6,6 and nylon 6. Its uses nylon 6,6 and nylon 6. And second polymer, polyester. Polyester contain only one polymer, that is called as the terylene or dacron. How to prepare? We take a reactions. Okay. And question also asks the uses of these three polymers. It may be a polyester polymer, polyamide polymer, or especially nylon 6,6, nylon 6 or a dacron or terylene. क्वेश्चन कैसे पूछे आपको सिंपल आंसर लिखना है. और जो भी आपको यूज होता है अगर हम लोग कुछ क्वेश्चंस के आंसर सर्च करते हैं गूगल में, तो उसमें आपको और ऐड करना है कुछ पॉइंट्स यूजेस. ठीक है, सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. और क्वेश्चन कैसे पूछेगा? राइट डाउन द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ एनी पॉलीमर और हाउ टू प्रिपेयर दिस पॉलीमर, हाउ टू प्रिपेयर द nylon 6,6 with the help of what adipic acid. And what second monomer we take the adipic acid second? Yes. So how to prepare the nylon 6 with the help of what? E-caprolactam. Clear? So it's all about the preparation of polyamide polymer and polyester polymer. Clear? Okay. पूरे नोट्स आप तैयार करेंगे. बुक आपको अवेलेबल हो चुकी है मार्केट में. ठीक है, तो बुक आपको परचेस करना है और कोई नोट्स को तैयार करना है. कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो पूछ लें. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.